Hello everyone. So we'll be doing chapter 14 today, that is practical geometry, and we'll start with exercise 14.1. Question 1, that is draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. For that you will be requiring one ruler and a compass. Since the circle that you need to draw is of radius 3.2 centimeter, you need to open your compass till 3.2 centimeter. Like you'll keep your pointer at 3.2 centimeters and pull your pencil till 0. So now your compass has been opened with the distance, or you can say with the radius 3.2 centimeters. Now you'll keep your pointer anywhere on the paper and just rotate the pencil like the way you usually draw a circle. So that's it. Where you kept the pointer is a point called the center, and any line from the center to the boundary of a circle is the radius of that circle, and here it is 3.2 centimeter. So that's how you're supposed to do the question 1. Now let's move on to question 2. It says, I hope you understood the question 1. Still, if you get any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Yeah. So let's move on to question 2. So, second question says, with the same center O, draw two circles of radii 4 centimeters and 2.5 centimeters. So in this question, you are supposed to draw two different circles but with the same center O. So the procedure is same like we did in question 1. You need to open up your compass. First, you can take either radius 4 centimeter first, or you can take 2.5 centimeter first. That's your choice. Okay, I'll start with taking 2.5 centimeter first. So I'll open my compass till 2.5 centimeters. Same procedure, I'll keep my pointer at 2.5 and just pull up my pencil till 0. Okay, now I'll keep my pointer anywhere on the paper and will just rotate my pencil like this. So this is the circle of radius 2.5 centimeter, and the point here where we kept the pointer is the center of the circle, and we have to name it as O because it's mentioned in the question here. And this radius here is 2.5 centimeters. Right? Now with the same center O, we have to draw another circle of radius 4 centimeters. So we'll open our compass till 4 centimeter like this. Sorry. Okay. So I'll keep my pointer at 4 centimeters and pencil at 0 centimeters. Since we have to take the same center, so I'll keep my pointer at O and just draw a circle. Never hold your compass from here. Otherwise, you'll disturb your compass. Always try to hold it from here so that you will not disturb the distance between the pointer and the pencil. So now here, you have drawn a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Just draw a line from the center to the outer circle, and this radius here is 4 centimeter. So that's the way how you'll do question 2. Let's move on to question 3 now. Question 3 says, draw a circle and any two of its diameters. So here you can draw a circle of any radius. It's not mentioned here. Any specific radius is not mentioned here. So you can draw a circle of any radius. And then you are supposed to draw two of its diameters. Now, if you join the ends of these diameters, what is the figure obtained? That's the first question you have to answer. Second one, what figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? And how would you check your answer? So there are two cases. In first case, you can draw the diameters without any condition. You can draw any of the diameters. In second case, the condition has been imposed that those diameters need to be perpendicular to each other. And then you are supposed to join their ends like in the case 1, and then you have to tell what figure has been obtained there. Let's see. So here you will be drawing 2 circles, okay, for both the cases, and then we'll see how we'll check our answers, like how would we check our answers, like what figure has been obtained. Okay, we'll just draw a circle of any radius. Just open your compass till any length you want. Okay, just open it up and just draw circles, 2 circles. Okay, because there are 2 cases, we'll draw 2 different circles of the same radius. Like I'm not disturbing my compass and drawing the other circle here. So this is my center of this circle. You know, the diameter passes through the center of the circle, so you need to know the center exactly. So now just draw any 2 diameters, no condition, like this. Okay, if you want, you can just name them A, B, C, D. Just join the ends. Join all the ends. Okay, so as you can see, just by looking at the figure, you can tell it's a rectangle. How would you check your answer? You know, in rectangle, all the angles are of 90 degrees. You can measure it with protractor. Okay, you can see it's 90 here. You can check here also. Okay, it's 90 again, and you can check for other 2 angles also. Now, for rectangle, you know, the opposite sides are of equal length. So just measure the lengths AD and CB. AD is 6.2 centimeters, as you can see here. Let's measure this one. 6.2 centimeters again. Let's just measure DB and AC. They need to be same. It is 3.6 centimeters. 3.6 6 centimeter AC. So you can write here, you can just write a rectangle is formed. How you will verify? Since this is the sign of since, right here, since AD is equal to CB, which was 6.2 centimeters. I'll just check again. Okay, and AC, since these are line segments, so I'll put the bar on them. AC is equal to DB, which was 3.6 centimeter, I guess. Okay, we'll just check again. Yes, 3.6 centimeters. And all the angles, angle A is equal to angle D is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. They all are equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so that's how you checked that the figure obtained in this circle, in this figure, is rectangle. Now let's come to the next case where the diameters need to be perpendicular to each other. So we'll just draw the straight diameters of, we'll draw a straight line first here like this, and these diameters need to be perpendicular to each other. So I'll just check. Okay, I'll just check. I'll just mark the point here and point here, and I'll just join these lines, just कि वो exactly आपको 90 डिग्रीज मिले. ठीक है, सो ये मेरा सर्कल, ठीक है, और मैंने अपने दोनों यहाँ पे जो मार्क किए थे कि वो पूरा 90 डिग्री आए. Now you just draw another diameter like this. So now I've drawn two diameters which are exactly perpendicular to each other. So same thing, join the ends. Okay, there I just okay. Be careful, you can use different pencil if you want. So you can name them with different letters. Since we have used A, B, C, D, let's do E, F, G, H, right? So just by looking at the figure, you can say it's a square, and you can also verify your answer by measuring all the four sides and all the four angles. Okay, you can measure them like this, 90 degrees, this angle here, this angle here is again 90 degrees. You can do the same thing with the other angles and just measure the four sides. It's 5.1 centimeters, 5.1 again, it's 5 here, and we'll just check again. यहाँ पे मुझसे mistake हुई थी. Okay, 5.1 again. So it's 5.1 here also. Okay, so a square is formed since EG is equal to GF is equal to FH is equal to HE is equal to 5.1. 1 centimeter. So all the sides are equal, and also all the angles, angle E is equal to angle H is equal to angle F is equal to angle G. They all are equal to 90 degrees. So that's how you check your answer. In first case, a rectangle is formed. In second case, a square is formed. So let's move on to question 4 now. So now question 4 says, draw any circle. Again, any circle, no radius has been specified. So you can draw a circle of any radius. So draw any circle and mark the points A, B and C such that A is on the circle, point B is in the interior of the circle, point C is in the exterior of the circle. Okay, so we'll just draw a circle. We'll just do this question very quickly since it's very easy. So just draw any circle. Just open up your compass, put the pointer on the paper and rotate your pencil like this. Draw a circle like this. Now this is your center here. Okay, so for part A, the point A needs to be on the circle. On the circle means on the boundary of the circle. Okay, so anywhere on the boundary, locate any point and name it as A. Very easy. Now point B is in the interior of the circle. Interior means inside, as the name says, interior of the circle, inside the boundary of the circle. So anywhere inside the circle, or I'll just take this part only since center is in the interior of the circle. I'll label this point as B. You can take any point as B inside the circle. Okay, now C is in the exterior of the circle. Anywhere outside the circle is the exterior part of the circle, so you can locate it anywhere outside the circle. So that's how you're supposed to do question 4. Let's move on to question 5 now. Question 5 says, let A, B be the centers of 2 circles of equal radii. Okay, so you need to draw, or you need to take 2 circles of the same radius, but the centers, the name of the centers of 2 circles will be different. For one, it's A. For the second one, the name of the center will be B. Okay. Now, then draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. We'll try to draw a rough figure in our mind. Okay. So they are saying you are supposed to draw 2 circles of the same radius, but with different centers, with the different names of the centers. Okay, so for one it's A, for the other one it's B. But the condition they have imposed is each one of them passes through the center of the other. So you can't draw these circles like this. This circle needs to be passing through this center B, and this circle needs to pass through this center A. So roughly it should be like, if this is your center A and this is the circle for this center, B has to be somewhere here, and for this the circle needs to pass through A. So this is your rough figure. Okay, and then what they say next is, let them intersect at C and D. Let them here means the 2 circles that we just drew. So these circles, they are intersecting at 2 points. We have to name them as C and D. Examine whether line segment AB and CD are at right angles. हमें फिर चेक करना है कि जो CD and AB हैं, are they at right angles? So we'll just join these points either with dotted lines or with solid lines, okay? And then you just need to check, are they intersecting at 90 degrees with the help of protractor? They need to be intersecting. This angle has to be 90 degrees. So we'll just draw a fair figure now. This is our rough figure. Our original figure has to be like this, okay? So how we'll do is, since the radius of the two circles need to be same, so we'll just draw a line, okay? Just have a look. I'll just draw a line of 4 centimeter. I'll just draw a line of 3 centimeters, say. Like this. And I'll name the end points as A and B. Now I'll open my circle. Sorry, I open my compass like this. And with the center B, I'll just draw a circle. Now you can see I'm drawing a circle whose center is B and it passes through the center A, which is actually the center of the other circle. Okay, so this is my one circle. I've just disturbed my compass. Never mind. So this is my first circle with center B and it has passed through center A. I'll repeat the procedure by keeping A as center, and now my circle will pass through point B. Okay, so now I have drawn two circles of equal radius and I have drawn them such that this circle has passed through the center of the other circle and this circle has passed through the center of the first circle. And now I'm supposed to name these intersecting points, like these circles have intersected here and here. I have to name them as C and D, and then I have to examine whether AB and CD are at right angles or not. So I'll just join CD also. Okay, and now I'll measure if this angle is 90 degrees or not. As you can see here, it's clearly 90 degrees. So you'll just draw a sign of perpendicular or 90 degrees and you will say, yes, AB and CD are at right angles. Yes, AB and CD are at right angles, and you have completed your exercise 14.1. Hope you understood. Hope you understood all the questions. Still, if you get any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.